Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace windshield wipers on your Nissan Rogue. First, let's get ready. You'll need new wiper blades, typically a 26-inch blade for the driver's side and a 17-inch blade for the passenger's side. Make sure your vehicle is either off or in accessory mode. It's also a good idea to place a soft towel on your windshield to prevent any accidental damage from the wiper arm. Next, we'll get the wipers into their service position. Turn your vehicle on, then quickly flick the wiper stalk up twice. The wipers will stop mid-windshield, allowing you to lift each arm away from the glass. Be sure to lift the arm until it locks into its upright position. Now, find the small tab on the wiper blade where it connects to the arm. This is your release. With the arm lifted, press that release tab and slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm's hook. It should come off with a gentle pull. Now, take your new wiper blade and slide it onto the hook of the wiper arm. Push it firmly until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it won't accidentally detach. Once both new blades are installed, carefully lower each wiper arm back onto the windshield. Remember to remove any towels you placed for protection. Finally, turn your vehicle on and activate the wipers to test them. Watch for smooth, streak-free operation across the entire windshield. This simple maintenance ensures clear visibility and safer driving in all weather conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.